Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi S3 Saloon Black Edition with 310 PS and uses the S-tronic automatic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos Black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. Now as we look towards the performance stats, the vehicle does feature a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine which produces 310 PS and 395 pounds-feet of torque, which makes a 0 to 60 time at just 4.8 seconds. Now moving towards the front of the vehicle, we find these fantastic adaptive LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, we find the Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-arm structured diamond cut alloys, which do really complement that lovely Mythos Black paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and does fit this specific specification of the blacked out theme. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A3 Saloon, where we find up to 425 litres of storage space. Is a large amount for a performance saloon of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Taking a look into the rear now, we find a full leather interior with the additional diamond quilted leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. Ambient lighting does also continue on into the rear, where there is rear ventilation and a 12-volt. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as fine Napa leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. And with this being the S model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S badges on both front seats, as well as the lovely white stitching. Above now there is also the virtual cockpit, which is featured at two Audi Sport rev counters. Besides this, you can access radio stations, telephone connectivity and vehicle data. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Looking below this now, we find an equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers.